Okay, so I personally spent like $25 on this amount of crafts, but if you have things already lying around the house, you could get away with spending less. You could spend as much or as little as you want on these crafts. So let me just go through what we have. So I got a big pack of construction paper. You might already have some, so. And I got all of this at Hobby Lobby. Then we have these quenile stems. I have no idea how you pronounce that. So, yeah, we have that. And we have a bag of colorful pom-poms, different sizes. And then we have these beads. This is obviously something we will be having to do supervised because he would probably put those in his mouth. But they're a nice size for threading with these. So that's what that is. Then I have a fingerprint pad. And I thought that would go really well with this. It's washable finger paint, non-toxic. And I will be very monitoring him closely because even though it says it's non-toxic, it's not edible. So I got blue and yellow for that. And one more thing, I got him a scissors, which is 2+. And so you might not be comfortable doing that, and that's okay, but I'm gonna try it with him and see how he does. And then I just have an egg carton that I'm going to be using for a sorting activity. You could use an ice cube tray. Then I have, this is a toilet paper roll. This is a paper towel roll that I cut in half. And I have a pair of tongs. I would recommend a smaller one, but that's one thing I forgot to buy when I was shopping. So I'm just trying one from my kitchen. And it looks like that's about it. I'm going to be using some tape. You could use any kind of tape that you have on hand, and this is just what I have. So that is all that we have for these projects. Okay, so Liam seems to be very, very entranced by these beads. So I think I'm going to start with that craft first. Yeah, should we start with the yellow? Yellow. Yellow. Okay, now take this. Let me show you how to do it. You take a bead and you stick it on there. Yeah, can you do that? You put it on there. Good job. Now you take another one. Take another one. Another one. And you put it. Good job. I knew you would like this one. Yeah. And you just keep doing that. That one is green. Green. Yeah. Red. Red. Another one. Black. Yeah. You're good at this one. Red. Yes. Good job. Green. Another one. Orange. Orange. Yeah.
Nah. Go.
So this is Liam's finished product. He did almost every single one of those by himself. So I think that's such a good little craft. And now we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is this one with the pom-poms. So I just taped some toilet paper and paper towel rolls to this surface here. And now we're going to take these. See, take it and put it through the hole. Look, see the hole here? You drop it through the hole. Oh, so this one is definitely a thing of sizes because this size doesn't actually go through the hole. You have to like push it down. So let's see if we can get some of these smaller ones down at the bottom. See, here's some smaller ones. Let's see if this pink one will go. Yeah, look at that. See? Is that fun, huh? Yeah. There you go. See, can you use the tongs? Pick it up like this. You want to try? Don't know if he knows how to use the tongs. Oh. Can you grasp it right there? He doesn't quite understand how it works. Almost. Good try. Here, how about you try one of these? Put it right here. He sure thinks it's fun anyways. Okay, so this one is also with the pom-poms, but we're going to be including this egg tray, which you can also use the ice cube tray for. Here, let's sit this way so people can see what you're doing. Here. Now look, we got these. You already got the idea. So you put them in, and then you can put it, I should have cut that half off. You can put them in here and here. Good job. And the tongs will be really good practice for you. Now pinch it. Yes! Good job! Yes! Yeah, now you're getting it. Perfect. You can put them in here too. Yeah. There may be those of you who are not interested in arts and crafts, and if so, then the sponsor of this video will be perfect for you. They have an amazing array of kids' toy cars to choose from, and I will have them linked in the description box. So we will get into that video right now, and we will be back later with some more crafts for you guys. So Tobbi sent me one of their police cars to try out for Liam, so I'm going to be unboxing that and assembling it for you guys, and we will have a video of him playing with it. So let's just get into the unboxing. Okay, here we go. So it comes with the main body, the steering wheel right here, and the instruction manual says this is a wheel cover. There's 4 individual ones in there. And then there are 4 of these wheels. This is a windshield. No. This is the right and left bracket. And these are the rear view mirrors. And this is the seat. So I looked around a little bit and I found the lights. Oh, this is the windshield. And then this is the rear wing on the back. So yeah, it looks like all the pieces are here. Now we just have to assemble it. Okay, you guys, I'm so thrilled because I managed to assemble this thing completely by myself. And Liam is already excited to play with it. The only thing I couldn't do is get the battery lines connected under the hood. So I'm going to ask Mike to help me with that when he gets home. But I'm so excited, and we will be showing you guys tomorrow a video of Liam playing in it. It comes with these adorable little keychain thingy. It's just not an actual key, of course. And then the charger comes with it, the remote control, and this is an intercom. So we will be testing all of that tomorrow. And the assembly process was pretty simple. The drill came in very handy, but yeah, it was really nice to put together. So I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, buddy, should we get in? Strap your seatbelt. And here's your little keychain. So this button turns it on. This button turns on the siren. This is low speed and high speed. This is forward and backward. So this would be forward and that would be backward. And here you can plug in a USB and play music. See, then you push the horn. So the remote control is speed, stop, left, right, forward, backward. So I'm going to give it a try. Okay, so Liam has been just begging to do this. So now we're going to get out a sheet of construction paper. This one. We're going to teach you how to cut. So you just go like that. Can you hold that together? Now you squeeze it. Good job! Yes! Probably will end up with a bunch of torn paper. So, but you know how to cut. Yeah. Okay, so I have saved the hardest one for last. This is the one I am pretty nervous about. But, and I have a roll of paper towel in case we need it. Here, we're going to do the painting, Liam. Yeah, let's do blue. I think you're going to go to town on this one. Here we go. We're going to do the yellow one first. Whoa. Now you just use your fingers. Oh, you want to do the blue one first? Also? Yeah, so now you use your fingers. Look, use your finger. See? Yeah. You can paint with your fingers. You don't like it?
Done?
Yeah, see? We already have the blue one, see?
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yellow.
Yep.
Yellow.
Yep.
See, buddy? I'm going to play in it some more. You're just not really interested? Maybe if there was a brush, you would do better, huh?
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Bead. Bead.
Yeah.
Bead.
Here,
Bead.
let me show you. Maybe you don't know what to do. Here. Look. Let's put your thumb. See, if you mix yellow and blue, it becomes green. Isn't that cool? Well, he's just not very interested. Okay, so that last one was the only one where he didn't show much interest, but I think I have a suspicion that if there was an actual brush, he would have enjoyed it a lot more, but at this point, he just seemed like he wasn't really into it. But anyways, that's a wrap on all of these crafts, and honestly, you could take this so much further and do a lot more. You could do a lot different things. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.